to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
That scared the heck out of me.
Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, outflows from showers located southwest of the Venice Inlet were producing high wind gusts. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots.
High wind gusts?
Source, buoy. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Madeira Beach Reef, M4 Reef, M7 Reef, Treasure Island Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, M10 Reef, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Bob Johnson Reef, M16 Reef, Pasadena Reef, and Manatee 1 Mile Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Your coastal waters forecast.
That was interesting.